This company just released their 2021 Q1 financial results, and in this video we're gonna look into the results. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and on this channel we focus on the best and long-term stocks in the stock market. I must say that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert. All the content here is just my opinion, so before investing, do your own research. So today we're gonna talk about Ocugen Inc, ticker symbol OCGN. In this video we're gonna review the company because we need to understand what they do. The second thing we're gonna check is the 2021 financial results, because we want to understand what is going to be their future. And lastly, I will share my opinion about the company and price target for OCGN. So let's begin with the details about the company. The company was founded in 2013 and is headquartered in the United States. Ocugen Inc. is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, focuses on the developing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases. The company's pipeline product includes OCU400, a novel gene therapy product candidate restoring retinal integrity and function across a range of genetically diverse inherited retinal diseases, such as retinitis pigmentosa and Leber congenital amaurosis. Guys, about retinitis pigmentosa, this is a bad disease. It starts without noticing, but with time it gets worse and worse. Last week, Israeli doctors team successfully implanted electronic chip to 80 years old woman who became blind because of the RP disease. After 33 years, she will be able to see structures in black and white. And this is a great step to the future of curing the disease. For a blind man, this is a gift from heaven. And who knows, maybe there will be cooperation between them and Ocugen. Let's continue. Their pipeline also includes OCU410, gene therapy candidate for the treatment of dry age-related macular degeneration, and OCU200, a novel fusion protein that is in preclinical development stage for the treatment of diabetic macular edema, diabetic retinopathy, and wet AMD. Ocugen Inc. has a strategic partnership with CanZino Biologics Inc. for gene therapy and co-development and manufacturing, and Bard Biotech for the commercialization of Covaxin in the United States market. We also want to know who is leading the company, because we don't want to invest in companies with bad CEO, right? We want to invest in good companies with big leadership. Alright, so the chairman of the board, the CEO, and the co-founder of Ocugen Inc. is Dr. Shankar Musunuri. He is a seasoned biotech veteran with more than 25 years of results-driven experience advancing and commercializing a diverse portfolio of products. Prior to co-founding Ocugen in 2013, Dr. Musunuri held leadership roles at numerous companies ranging from big pharma to novel startup biotechs. Most recently, he founded Neuron Biotech Inc., which he grew to a commercial company in less than 3 years, serving as president and the CEO. Dr. Musunuri spent nearly 15 years at Pfizer, where he gained extensive product launch and life cycle management experience, playing a key role as global operations team leader for the most successful launch in vaccine history. Prior to Pfizer, he was a group leader focused on phase 3 clinical development at Aviran Pharmaceuticals. So as we can see, we have someone who we could trust. Guys, we have to remember, when we buy shares, we are being a part of the company. He's got experience to lead Ocugen. He did great things in the past and in the present, and as I understand, his leading skills are enormous. Alright guys, so you came here for the Q1 2021 financial results, so this is the most interesting part. So a few days ago, they released their financial results, and we are going to check them right now. Covaxin, which is their COVID-19 vaccine, demonstrates 100% efficacy against severe COVID-19 disease, including hospitalization. Guys, this is huge! Other companies are talking about 80 to 95%, and this one is 100%. Master file submitted for US Food and Drug Administration review prior to a planned emergency use authorization application for Covaxin. Also, $100 million in gross proceeds raised through a registered direct offering of common stock. Ocugen's cash, cash equivalents, and restricted cash totaled $44.9 million as of March 31, 2021, compared to $24.2 million as of December 31, 2020. Ocugen had 188.2 million shares of common stock outstanding as of March 31, 2021. Actually, this is not something bad to have more expenses for this company. I believe they do it to achieve more in the long term. And the information from the internet shows that they do it for the growth. Research and development expenses for the 3 months ended March 31, 2021 were $2.9 million compared to $1.7 million for 3 months ended March 31, 2020. General and administrative expenses for the 3 months ended March 31, 2021 were $4.2 million compared to $2.3 million for 3 months ended March 31, 2020. Ocugen reported a 4-cent net loss per share for the 3 months ended March 31, 2021 compared to a 7 cents net loss per share for the 3 months ended March 31, 2020. We can also see that Vanguard holds 5.6% of the company. I mean, this is Vanguard. When they buy stocks, that means something. People invest in companies when they see that Vanguard invested in them. We can also see that BlackRock increased their amount of shares by 53% with a total of 3.4 million shares. The BlackRock purchase made the stock rise in that day, but the stock could go back down in the short term. In their balance sheet, their assets increased in 1 year from $27 million to almost $54 million. Liabilities has also increased from $3.6 million to $4.3 million. Their net loss per share of common stocks was changed from a loss of 7 cents to 4 cents. It is a loss, and there was an estimate of 50 cents for the quarter, but it is also an improvement compared to before. So their earnings arrived without any great results. But we are here for the long term, and this could change once they will be able to sell their Covaxin. Right now, they don't have any revenue because they don't have products to offer, but they are working on it. They have the Covaxin, which they're working on with another company, and this one is expected to be their first product. This company still did not show the real stock price numbers. When they go out with Covaxin, their stock price could blow up. They were expected to have $150 million of revenue in Q1, and soon after they get the EUA and Covaxin on the market, they will get sales and the stock price could explode. And if you're holding the stock, you're probably going to earn from their sales when they release their next earnings with their sales. When a company starts to get sales, and if we take OCGN with a market cap of $2 billion without any sales, the evaluation of the company will be much more. The stock price could fall more during this month, but for the long term, the stock price could go even $50 in the long term. This company could reach even $50 or more per share by my opinion. However, the current market cap for this company right now is $2 billion, and my price target for the company will be $15 in the next 365 days. Now, if you enjoyed this video, let me know your opinion in the comments. You should also subscribe to this channel because my goal is to help you earn money with the stock market. I have also created my Patreon account, I will add it in the description. I want to buy new setup to provide better videos for you. I'd really appreciate your donation, even $5 will be good. It is about 50 cents per day if you donate $5. Thank you so much for watching my video, see you in the next one.